Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will tell you what you should do in order to solve any problem that you may have. What I will tell you to do will be a solution to any and all of your problems. There are always people who are having troubles, people who are suffering, people who are in need of support. So this act is perfect for those people and this situation, because reading this will bring you support and wash away any and all of your troubles. What you must do in order to get these benefits is to first read 2 rakats of nafil prayer. You may read these 2 rakats of nafil prayer at any good time during the day. So basically whenever you can find the time to do so, whatever time is best for you. After praying your 2 rakats of nafil salah, you should recite Surah Yasin 3 times. Surah Yasin is the 36th surah in the Quran, and it is of moderate length. And after you pray your 2 rakats of nafil salah, so you recite Surah Yasin 3 times. And after you do that, you can ask for whatever you like in your dua, and you will receive it. If you would like support, if you would like protection, if you would like to make something of yourself and succeed in life, you just ask Allah Azza wa Jal for it, and He will provide you with it. Allah Azza wa Jal is able and willing to provide you with anything if you do this act of praying 2 rakats of nafil salah, followed by reciting Surah Yasin 3 times. Whatever you ask for, you will get. وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ وَلِيًّا وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ نَصِيرًا. This means that Allah Azza wa Jal is sufficient as a guardian, and Allah Azza wa Jal is sufficient as a supporter. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and take a look at my other videos.